Hello, welcome to our channel, HousePlanDaily. Today we are going to see the east-facing house plan in the size of 41 by 40, 45 square, 45 feet. Total build-up area is 1,845 square feet. In the northeast corner, there is a portico, 17 feet 3 inches by 9 feet 3 inches. While entering into the main door, there is a big living room in the size of 27 feet by 27 feet 9 inches by 16 feet 9 inches. TV and sofa is placed in this living room. And then in the eastern side, there is a dining in the size of 10 feet by 10 feet. And in the from the dining, you can enter into the kitchen. Kitchen is available in the southeast corner. Kitchen in the size 7 feet by 10 feet, and then stove and sink is placed in the eastern side. Attached with its kitchen, there is a storeroom and utility. Storeroom is in the size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet 9 inches, and utility 5 feet by 9 feet 3 inches. Backside of store, there is a Pooja Room in the size of 5 feet 6 inches by 4 feet. Here, guard ideas you can keep in the western side, so that guard will face the east. Staircase is in the southern side, and then so in the southwest corner there is a big bedroom in the size of 16 feet by 16 feet. Here, bed we kept in the southern side, and then wardrobe is in the western side, southwest of west. For this master bedroom, there is an dressing cum attached toilet. Dressing size is 5 feet by 4 feet 6 inches, and attached toilet size is 5 feet by 11 feet. Kids bedroom is available in the northwest corner in the size of around feet 3 inch by 16 feet. This bedroom also having dressing cum attached toilet. Dressing in the, is in the size of 5 feet by 4 by 6 inches, and attached toilet 5 feet by 11 feet. So this is 2 BHK house plan. If you need a house plans as per your plot, you can contact us through WhatsApp. Our number is 9952029063. Also, you can check out our website, houseplansdaily.com and houseplans.world. Our apps are also available in the Google Play Store. House Plans and Designs, House Designs and Plans, Plannest and Designist. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like, share, comment. Thank you.